Here are some important tips to staying safe in your hot tub. We recommend a maximum of 45 minutes of spa use. Staying hydrated helps in preventing overheating from hot tubs. Rinse before and after each hot tub use to not disrupt your water care system and to remove chlorine from your body. Invest in accessories like steps and rails to help you get in and out of your hot tub safely. Make it a habit to check your pH levels regularly. Unbalanced water can cause severe skin irritation and worse. It can be hard to recognize hyperthermia symptoms in a hot tub, but if you know what to keep an eye out for, you can stay vigilant. We advise pregnant women, children, and infants to have adult supervision during a soak. Infants under 2 should not enter at all unless it is at pool temperature. Water and electricity do not pair well. Avoid using your hot tub during rain, thunderstorms, and lightning. With all these safety tips in mind, we are confident that you and your family will enjoy your hot tub soaks safely.